This 5-minute solution will show you how to tag everyone in a Facebook group. So if you're an admin or a moderator in a Facebook group and now you want to tag all members in a post, just follow me to do it. Once you are in your group, tap on write something. And now I'm going to writing some dummy text here. And now to tag all members to this post, simply type @ and select everyone. Once you selected everyone, all of your group members is tagged in this post. And now you can post these. Just tap on post. And now I'm going to my another Facebook account and going to my notification section. And as you can see, I received a notification from the group. Alice Smith tagged you and others in a post in this group, as you can see. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.